This is the shed with the front and rear walls up. 1, 2, 17, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18, 17 studs, 74 inches, I believe. I'm sure there are 70. I don't remember. Yeah, 74. So 74, the jack's right there. 68 inches. Header, 57 inches. The other half's laying around out there. I only put the outside on when I frame and sheet the walls. I'll put that together afterwards. I always do the back or whatever wall's furthest away. Usually it's the back wall. Do that first, and do whatever wall's closest to me. 10-pin braces. I always use the 1x with 10 nails, 3 or 4 of them, as long as it's not too windy. It's kind of breezy, gusty out here today, but 4-pin nails, top, bottom, on both ends of these walls held just fine. After I temp them in, I nail 2 together like that at exactly 10 foot, space at the top. And then whichever wall's not the straightest up and down, I kind of kick that brace off and go with the other wall. Just to get the space right up there. Blocks, I'm pretty sure they're 3 inches on this one. I'm pretty sure. Nope, 2.5. 4.5. And we're about getting ready to get some rafters put on here shortly.